Hi everybody, this is Artist King back with another video. It's been a while since I've done a voiceover. I kind of took a break from that, but I decided um, it's Christmas and I need to do a voiceover today. So, anyway, first of all, everybody, Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. Um, you know, for those of you that don't celebrate Christmas or believe in God, happy holidays. So, anyway, today I am getting away a little bit from the collage art. I wanted to do something that's kind of more Christmassy. So, I am decorating some Christmas balls, I call them, that you can make these and you can hang them on the tree or you can just use them as decoration somewhere else. For me, these four, I bought four, they're kind of medium size. And I don't put up a tree or do anything like that, but I'm going to use it, decorate my office. So I'm just showing you a way that you can do it. You get paint. You can use whatever color paint you want and I am using some glitter inside. And what I'm doing is just like pouring the paint inside of the bowl. I took off the hangers from them, and I'm pouring it and just kind of tossing the paint around and decorating the inside. So anyway, that's kind of what my video is today. And I just, like I said, I just wanted to say to you guys, Merry Christmas. I hope you have a very blessed Christmas. I hope you get to spend time with family. And most of all, I hope you protect yourself from this Omicron variant that is going around and making things difficult for everyone again. So anyway, you guys, do not forget to like, subscribe, share if you care. Um, Leave a comment. I love it when you guys leave comments. And, just thanks for watching the video. Okay, so I will see you guys on my next video. And I just wanted to give you all a little hint that for 2022, I want to do things a little bit different. I tend to get bored kind of quick with what I'm doing, and I like to vary stuff and do a little bit of this, a little bit of that. So there's some new stuff coming in 2022. So, okay, guys, enjoy the video, and I will see you next time. Okay? All right. Don't forget, watch the entire video. All right. Bye now.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. I'm making plans of what we're gonna do. I feel so blessed that I can be with you. 'Cause God knows that I've been longing for you. I just wanna hold you close. You know the stars are shining just for you. Let's take a walk and we can follow the moonlight till we reach a place we can stay. Maybe kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. hot chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas moment we'll fill with love and joy. Loving so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh. Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you.